So you don't like your twin flame. You've met them, you maybe like them initially, you love them, but you don't like them. And that's okay. It's okay. So, this is part of the journey. There may be times that you might feel, I have fallen out, I don't feel that love, or I feel numbed out. So, I invite you to look at those places where you are numbing out to yourself in your life. Your twin flame is constantly reflecting you. The mirroring never stops. The mirroring is a tool, is a teaching tool for you and your twin flame to walk this path of love so you can come into unconditional love and fall in love with yourself over and over again and again. And of course, eventually fall in love with your twin flame and God. So, my friends, if in case you feel that you are falling out of love, or you feel that I don't love my twin flame anymore, I don't like him, I don't like her, there's something appalling, look into that. What does that feeling give you? It's taking you somewhere deep. And if you are familiar with mirror exercise and shadow work, this is where you have the opportunity to state the upset. I don't like my twin flame. I'm upset that I don't like my twin flame. Step two would be I'm upset that I don't like myself. Where is that you don't like yourself? Is it that you judge yourself? Is it that you constantly dislike some areas of your life, dislike some habits of yours that you are avoiding to look at and discipline yourself into, loving yourself into? Maybe you don't like the fact that you don't exercise. So it's time to give yourself that love and discipline to actually start liking yourself again. So, this is a deeper invitation for you to fall back into love and liking yourself too. It can take time, be compassionate with yourself. This process can take time. If you are looking at parts of your life and your mind that are uncomfortable, it can be very, very disheartening initially. But slowly, as you show up for yourself, continue to do mirror exercise. Show up that you love yourself deeply and you are ready. You are ready to take on any deep upsets or any deep parts of you that do not align today but will align tomorrow. You will start building trust with yourself. You will start building a deeper divine friendship with yourself. And that is the aim of this journey. The more you come into union with yourself, naturally you will come into union with your twin flame and eventually like them and love them as well. All right, my friends, I hope this video has served you. If you liked it, do share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next videos. Cheers. Bye.